Good afternoon, students. We'll proceed further with algebra. AP Arithmetic Progression Practice Set 3.4. These are all word problems. I will explain you and you have to solve it yourself. Every word problem you should be able to convert it into an AP series. You should be able to find the A, you should be able to find the common difference D, and then you have to solve. The first sum on 1st Jan 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10, rupees 11 on the second day, rupees 12 on the third day. If she decides to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, what would be her total savings? So what they are saying, Sanika is saving her money. How she is saving? 11 rupees on the first day, 12 rupees on the second day, 13 rupees on the third day, and so on. Every day she is increasing by 1 rupee. Now they are saying that she starts this on 1st of Jan. She starts this on 1st of Jan 2016 and continues till 31st December 2016. So they are asking you that by the end of the year, that is 31st December के बाद, how much money she is going to save. Okay. Now, first of all, see the year. We need to find out first how many days. जितने days होंगे उतने number of terms होंगे. Now, how many days are there in a year? 365. But we have to find out if it is a leap year, then it will be 366 days. And how to find out whether it is a leap year? Take the last 2 digits of the year and divide it by 4. If it is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. And if it is not divisible by 4, then it is not a leap year. Okay, so I'll write a system over here so that you can copy it down. Divide last 2 digits of the year by 4. If it is divisible, then it is a leap year. So you will take 366 days in that year. And if it is not divisible, it is not a leap year. So you will take 365 days. Okay? So this you remember. I'll take a screenshot so that those who still don't know can copy it down. Okay, so now let us check this for 2016. The last 2 digits is 16. 16 is divisible by 4. Yes, 4 4s are 16. So it is a leap year. So the number of days is 366. So we will write down since 2016. You have to write this, 1 mark for this. Is a leap year. Since 2016 is a leap year, there are 366 days. Then you will write down the above problem can be formulated as an AP as below. See these statements, word problems in AP, you have to write down this sentence. It is very important. Your marks will be deducted as below. 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on, where A is equal to 11 and D is equal to 1. Okay. Now what we have to find? We have to find how much money is collected at the end of the year. That is 11 plus 12 plus 13, so on till the last. So you have to find S of 366 because there are 366 days. This is what you have to calculate. So you find out S of 366, you know A, you know D, you know the formula. S of n is equal to n upon 2 bracket में 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So for A put 11, for D put 1, for n put 366 and calculate, that is going to be your answer. Going to the next sum. A man borrows rupees 8,000 and agrees to pay with a total interest of rupees 1360 in 12 monthly installments, each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40. Find the amount of the first and last installment. Okay. Now there is a man who borrows 8,000 rupees. There is a man who borrows 8,000 rupees. और वो कहता है कि मैं वो तुमको with interest दूंगा. How much? 1360 he will give extra. मतलब he has taken 8,000 but he will give back how much? 9,360 he is going to give back. But he is saying मैं एक साथ नहीं दूंगा. I am going to give you in 12 monthly installments. And my installments will be such that every next installment will be 40 rupees less than the previous one. मतलब हर महीना में 40 रुपीज़ डिडक्ट होता जाएगा. लेकिन in 12 months this man will be able to repay 8,000 plus 1360. They are asking you to find the amount of the first and the last installment. Okay. Now the loan amount is rupees 8,000. Okay. The interest what is going to pay is 1360. So total amount to be repaid will be how much? 9360. Okay. Now we know that D is equal to minus 40. Why? Because every new installment is going to be 40 rupees less than. Okay, तो मतलब 40 minus करेंगे, so D will be minus 40. A we don't know, and last term also we don't know. But last term will be what? There are 12 installments, so T12 will be the last term for the last installment. Okay, this also we don't know. Now see what we will do. What we know, what is this 9360? This is S of 12. Okay, when you add up all the installments, it will come up to 9360. So S12 is given and D is given. You have to find A and T12. Okay, so let's start. I will write the formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Sn is 9360, which is equal to n means 12, 12 upon 2, 2a because a we don't know, n is again 12, so 12 minus 1 and D is minus 40. Okay, so 9360 is equal to 6, 12 upon 2 is 6, 2a, 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 multiplied by minus 40. So 9360 is equal to 6 into 2a minus 440. Now solve this. I'll use this part of the book. You can take 6 down over here. So 9360 divided by, since there is a bracket over here, this 6 can go down. 6 is equal to 2a minus 440. Now 6 ones are 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 are 0. Okay, and then take this 440 here is equal to 2a. So 0, 0, 0, 2000 is equal to 2A. Therefore, A is equal to 1000. So this is your first installment. You are getting it as 1000. Now you have to find the last installment, that is T12. So T12 will be equal to A plus 12 minus 1 D. First write the formula, okay. So T12 will be equal to A is 1000. So 1000 plus 11 into minus 40. So that is equal to 1000 minus 440. And that is equal to 0, 6, 5. Okay. Then you will write the final answer. Always remember, two statements you have to write. Here you have to write that the given sum or the given problem can be formulated as an AP. यहाँ पे भी लिखेंगे here. Okay. The given problem can be formulated as an AP where D is equal to minus 40, A is equal to question mark, T2 is last installment question mark and S of 12 is 9360. क्योंकि वो पहले बताना पड़ेगा कि वो AP है. Only then you can use the formula of SN and TN. Okay. If you are not showing that, not writing that statement, your sum is not going to be evaluated in the board. Mind it. And last में when हो गया, you have to write. क्या बोला उन्होंने? Find the first and the last installment. So you have to write. Therefore, the first installment is rupees. What is 8,000? And last installment is rupees 560. Last installment is rupees 560. Okay, clear? This is your second sum.